Welcome to the Amit Explore videos. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Edition is an all-in-one, pocket-sized gimbal camera designed for content creators and vloggers. It builds upon the standard Osmo Pocket 3 by including a range of accessories that enhance its functionality and ease of use. In the box, you'll find Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag, a soft bag for all the accessories, an Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover, a rigid case for the camera, and user manuals documentation, with DJI stickers a standard inclusion. What the Creator Edition adds. The Creator Combo or Creator Edition includes everything in the standard package, plus a suite of essential accessories that make it a complete production kit. Core features of the Osmo Pocket 3. 1-inch CMOS sensor. This larger sensor allows for exceptional image quality, especially in low light conditions, and captures detailed highlights and shadows. It can record in 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second. Two-inch rotatable touchscreen. The full-color OLED screen can be rotated to quickly switch between horizontal and vertical shooting, making it perfect for both cinematic videos and social media content. Full-pixel fast focusing. The camera can quickly and accurately lock onto a moving subject, ensuring sharp and clear footage. Active Track 6.0. This intelligent feature keeps your subject in focus and centered in the frame, with modes like Phase Auto Detect and Dynamic Framing. 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG. These color modes give you more flexibility in post-production for color grading, allowing for professional-level results. Battery handle. This grip extends the camera's battery life, allowing for longer shooting sessions. It also has a 1/4 thread at the bottom for attaching tripods. Osmo Mini Tripod, a small, portable tripod for stable shots, time-lapse, or setting up the camera for hands-free tracking. DJI Mic 2 transmitter. This wireless microphone provides high-quality, clear audio, which is crucial for vlogging and interviews. It pairs seamlessly with the camera. Hand wristband. A simple strap for your wrist that provides a secure way to hold the Osmo Pocket 3, helping to prevent accidental drops. DJI microphone cover. This is a small, fuzzy windscreen that fits over the DJI Mic to transmitter. Its purpose is to significantly reduce wind noise, ensuring clearer audio quality, especially when recording outdoors. Type-C to Type-C power delivery cable. It's a standard USB-C cable designed for both charging and data transfer. Wide-angle lens. This magnetic lens attachment expands the camera's field of view, which is great for capturing landscapes or group shots. The DJI Mic uses a magnetic attachment system. The included magnet allows you to quickly and discreetly attach the microphone transmitter to clothing. Carrying bag. A custom-designed bag to conveniently store and transport all the components of the Creator combo. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator combo includes a protective case designed to securely store the camera and its main accessories. This case has dedicated compartments for the Osmo Pocket 3 itself. It also has a specific slot for the wide-angle lens, allowing you to store it safely and conveniently alongside the camera, preventing scratches or damage, and other items like the battery handle and DJI Mic to transmitter. In summary, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Edition is a powerful, all-in-one solution for creators who want a compact, easy-to-use camera that delivers professional-grade video and audio right out of the box. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.